I had a wrong turn so fast. What the heck? I was just following signs. I saw the picket post is going left, but then my map is saying wrong turn. So I head back down, check the sign. It has cross on the left arrow and has a new arrow going straight. So following that one. Okay, let's go. I am questioning myself right now. Is this really what I'm going to climb? That's really high for a short distance.
Sunrise, a new day, it's go time. Let's go out and try new things, try new things. Exploring, every day's a new morning. Just
wow, look at that. It's a straight up rock climbing. Hi. Good morning.
How are you?
Good. How about you guys?
Good. Now that I made it up that little part.
Oh my god, check this out. The red arrow is up there. And I hear people all the way up there. Let's do this. Not bad. Taking so much break. This is rock climbing. This is not hiking. Finally, I made it to the top of the Picketpost mountain.
Up there.
Oh man, we were like, of course, you shed when you come down. But
Let's see what's in here. Oh, fireball. Probably a bad idea. And there's two. Somebody want snack? There's a lot of letters in here. your name is Nicole and you feel led to open Reeties, please do. Perhaps the message was meant just for you. So Nicole, if you're out there, hike this Picketpost mountain, and if you think this is for you, open it. Oh wow, another Nicole. To be removed and opened only by Nicole. There's a last name, I wouldn't say it. Woohoo! Woohoo card. He scared me. Right, good times, come on. Thank you for the person who put this up here. This made my day. There's just so much leather in here. And there are snacks. I'll just put it back. This is a bad idea if I take this now, because I'm going down soon and I'll probably go down. Like down. What should I add in here? Probably should add water, because there's snack. It's getting summertime. And oh crap, I left my water in the car. I just put it in here like a bottle. I'm sorry guys, couldn't add anything to it. Next time. That fireball is tempting. I'm taking one. I'm not taking it, I'm taking it with me. Thank you. It's time to go down. Long way to go. It is kind of the same speed going down this mountain, because it's just loose gravel, different sizes, so you have to be really careful not to slip. Trekking pole would be nice. Look at that. That is 2,000 feet elevation gain. I couldn't believe I did that. I was looking at it earlier, I was like, wow, I really did that. Anyway, this is Picketpost Trail. It is total of 4.2 miles with 2,000 plus elevation gain. I didn't film more on the way back down because I need my two hands and concentrate on going down so I wouldn't slide. That is a hike for this week. See you in the next trail.